Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I am back with another video in the how to start a print-on-demand business. We are now going to create our first product in Print Make, and we're going to integrate our Etsy store so you can see how that is done. If you did not watch the setup video, make sure you go back and watch the setup video to Print Make. I talk about how bougie it is and I love it. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then go hit that notification bell. I upload weekly, and if you're looking for more courses and tutorials, check out my Gumroad at gumroad.com/CinquantaCoxSmith. So let's get on with it. So we are going to go ahead and integrate with Etsy. I already have let's see, now available. So I'm trying to hit Etsy, but nothing moving, shaking. So automatically sync orders with fully automated options for, yeah, well, I can't click on it, so. Oh, so y'all, we have to email Print Make to connect your shop. So no matter how bougie they are, there's no automated syncing. I should have read that first. So that was the easy step of integration. If you need to integrate your Shopify or Etsy store, you have to email them to connect your shop. Ooh, that's deep. So now we're just going to go over to the shop button, and we are going to check out the products. So we have t-shirts, aprons, pillowcase, baby bibs, beanies. These are so cute, these little baby headbands, birthing cloths. So this would be an amazing store to do a lot of baby products, because they do have like bath towels and baby dresses. Did they have a onesie? Yep, onesies. They have cropped hoodies, baseball tees, tank tops, and the list goes on. But today we are just going to do a t-shirt. That's the American Apparel t-shirt. We're going to scroll down till we find the Bella Canvas shirt, because they do have it. I am going to click that one to show you the colors they have. They also have, V-necks, but they have more products. Remember, they have more products here. I didn't mean to click that, but they have way more products. So if I go to page 9, you have women's shower, yoga mats. Let's go to page 7. They have prints, cell phone cases, scarves, sippy cups, blankets, fleece blankets. They have the reversible sequence pullers and drawstring bags, also cosmetic bags. They have Minky blankets, a scarf, lots of things. So let's go back to the first page where we found the t-shirt, because that's what we're going to be doing today. But just know that the options are limitless on what you can create here. Let me tell you, you have all the bougie stuff, okay? So back to the Bella Canvas shirt, and y'all forgive me if I've ever said Canvas Bella, because it just sounds better that way. I know that's not the name, and I know I pronounce things wrong sometimes. Judge your mama. So here is the Canva. See, I was about to say it. Bella Canvas shirt. Tells you the colors they have, the material of it, but most of us already know because it's our favorite shirt. So it said the heather blends have been removed to style 301 CVC, and additional sizes are here. So quantity, if you order in bulk, 10 to 49, you get 5% off. If you order 50 more, you get 10% off. It tells you the dimension of the file that needs to be uploaded in the PPI there. So this is a product we want. So I am going to go ahead and hit design product, but you can download the template and any other information that you need. So here I wear a medium in Bella Canvas. Here's the printing options. You can print one-sided, you can print two-sided, and I'm assuming two-sided is front and back, right? So that's the back side, that's the front side. Then they have the colors. I am going to do mustard. Okay. And then I am going to upload my image. So I'm going to hit that button and I'm going to go ahead and upload my file. I'm really stuck on the fact that I have to email them to set up integration. So, but it's not my platform. Ain't none of my business. So here you have your shirt. And if you want to see what it looks like, I guess this is the marking menu. And then the snap lines, the grid lines to make sure they are where they need to be. I did notice that there wasn't, like, I couldn't see a mock-up of what it looked like. So I did notice that. Hold on. Let me take these snap lines off and the grid lines. Okay. So they have buttons here to edit the image. So if you need to adjust anything, you need to crop anything, you can do that here. This is to add shape to the canvas, add more images, and then this is the text. So also they have percentage of what you see. You can rotate it, move the layer, and then there's a little bit more. Send to the bottom, send to the front, level down, level up. So let's hit the level up. Level up, level up, level up. Okay. I'm assuming that's like position, not like move it up. Ooh, child. Okay, so here is my design. The only thing that I would say is because my design was further down, like down there, you would need to move it up closer to the top of your design so that your design is not so far down to the chest. And I guess I can show you that. Let's use this one as an example since we already got it open. So I'm going to move that up. I'm going to take away the background, make that white, and I'm going to download this as a PNG. And then we're going to upload it in here, and I'll show you the difference is you see where the design is right now. We're going to go back to editor. I'm going to upload this one, the new one. I'm going to insert that. Why does it seem like it's low too? All right now. But it's high. All right, let's see what it looks like on the thing when we hit finish. That's ugly. I'd rather go back to the other one. Yeah, I don't know why it's so low. I don't know. That's interesting. I didn't have this problem when I first did it. But you know, I told y'all, every time I start recording, it's like this stuff just loves to give me issues every single time. I guarantee you. I never go through a tutorial without a bump in the road. See, now it has, you see? How is that? That all of a sudden now it has, maybe because I hit one-sided? How do I take this off? How do I delete this? Oh, delete object. So now y'all see? That wasn't there before. And all of a sudden now it popped up. Maybe because I had this two-sided option clicked. So now we should get what we wanted. There we go. That's the look we were going for. Whenever the design pop up. So there we go. Nice. All right. So don't do like me and hit that two-sided thing. So I'm going to approve the design. So it's in my cart. And it says, 2 to 3 express, $12. You can write special instructions about the shipment, write a gift message, and then you can hit check out. Also, you can calculate the shipping. So we'll just have my information here. I'll put my address in and I would check out. Okay. But again, this is for your sample. But if you were creating products for your brand, let's go back to the website. You would have to sync your store to get started with that. And because I did not notice I had to email them to sync, that's no fun because we ain't know. But your orders will show up here. And then, of course, your sales report. But this would be after you create your integrations for Print and Make. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick tutorial on how to set up your store. Told you guys they have amazing products, a variety of things, mugs. They have the clear mugs. Like I said, bougie. They have foil print. They have masks here. What else they have? They have garden flags, the baby onesie thingies, these crystal glasses that you normally get from Things Remembered, golf towels, glitter phone cases, just so many things. You get lost in here because then you want to go shopping for yourself. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to start a print-on-demand business, creating your first product, and learning about integration for Print and Make. Make sure you email support to select and connect your Etsy store or Shopify store to your Print and Make store. Make sure you check out my print on demand checklist. It is free, but I love $5 tips down below. All my courses are hosted on gumroad.com/Cinquanta Cox-Smith. If you want to learn more about me and what I do in books, business, and bullshit, check out my podcast. It is Coins and Connections Podcast, and it is available on all streaming platforms that are open. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.